Hello guys, I'm Azhar, and in this video I will teach you check buttons and entries in Python. So for check button, what we will use a class called check button, right? And this class, what will I do? I will place this class in the root window, and the text of this class will be, for example, check button 1, like this. And what will I do? I will pick this. So now let's run this. So as here you can see, we have a button, check button 1. We can check and uncheck this. So I will make a label here, label, as I will not use its object, so I will directly call the class label. I will place it in the root window, and its text will be choose your favorite car, right? And after that I will pack, and here I will be having 3 to 4 check buttons, and the first will be, for example, Mercedes. The second one will be BMW. Third one will be Audi, and the fourth one will be Ford, for example. Right, so let's run this. So here, as you can see, we have a label, and after that we have 4 options. So the first one is Mercedes. I can select multiple options here. So these are check buttons. So now we have another widget called entry. So for entry, I will call class entry, and I will place it in the root window, and I will pick. So let's run this. So here, as you can see, we have a box in which we can enter some text, like for example Azhar and something like that. You can enter any text over here. So this was a simple entry. So now if we have a button, so I will make a button here. I will place it in the root window, and after that I will set the text to, for example, delete text. What will this button do? It will delete all the text in the entry box, and the function will be, for example, delete text, right? So I will pack this, right? So I will define the function here, define function name called delete, function name delete text. And what will this function do? It will delete all the text in the entry. So what will I do? I will first make an object here called entry1, and I will pack it in the next line, entry1.pack, right? So here I will call this object entry1, and I will use a function called delete. So what will it do? It will delete the text, but here, as you can see, we have 2 parameters to enter. One is the first and the other is the last. So what we want here, we want to delete all the text. To delete all the text, it will start from 0 and it will end on end. So what will this do? This will delete the whole function. But if we want to delete some limited number of characters, so you can write here 12 or something like that. So let's try first on end. So let's run this. Here we have entry, so I will write here Azhar, and let's press this button. As here you can see it has deleted the text. Now if I change it to, for example, 4, let's see what will it do. I'll write here Azhar, and let's here as you can see it has deleted the first 4 characters AZHA. It hasn't deleted or. So this was about entry. Now we can have another example. If we make a button here, a label here, label 1, and it will be placed in the root window, and its text will be a variable text, and it will be equal to label text, for example. And here I will pack this, right, and here I will define the text variable, label text, string variable, and I will set the text to for example stars, right? So whenever we enter some text in the entry and press a button, it will place that text in the label. So here I will change the function name to change label text, right, and here I will also change the text, change label text, right, and here I will also change, and in the body of this function what will I do, I will set the label text to the text which the user will enter in the entry. So what will I do, I will call the entry object, right, and I will use a function called get, and what will it do, it will get the text of the entry and it will set the text to the label text, and the label text will be displayed. So let's see. Here we have a button, entry, a button, and a text. So what will I do, I will write here Azhar, and here as you can see our text is changed. So whenever we want to change the text of a label, we will use this get function to get the text of the entry, and then we will change the label text according to the entry text. So I hope that you will have liked this video. If you like it, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.